Hi, my name is Frankenstein, aka Mars. I'm coming live at you with another edition of Broke and Homeless. You see here, we are still broke and homeless, but it's okay. We are walking in the rain. We are searching for a place to hide. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Look at that. I guess we'll have to take that and cut it up. That's the right thing to do. Anyways, as you can tell, there's nothing really going on. People going in and out of the liquor store. I'm not going to tell you where I'm at. It's a secret. Anyways, in case you ever find yourself in a downpour or a rainy day like today, you look for a place to hide for a minute. And I think we found one. I'm avoiding people so I don't get them filmed. Anyways, an old car wash. Lucky us, we can duck down under there for a few minutes and get out of the rain. We'll go back here where we're not really noticed, out of the way. Ooh, look, a dumpster. We'll wonder what's inside it. Let's just check it out for a minute. We like to scavenge. Nothing really important to go through. Looks like household rubble. Looks like somebody was here. They made a mess. Looks like female of some sort. Yep. Some type of female. Anyway, they made a big mess. It's a shame. Looks like they're squatting here. Ooh, lucky us, we found a home. Wow, look at all that. Anyways, we are broke and homeless. Anyways, my name is Frankenstein, aka Mars. I'm coming live at you.